Hey guys, it is time for our September Hot Tools flyer and the marketing kit. We got it in here. We're going to open it up in front of you so that you can see everything inside of it. We also got some new stuff for the channel on here, so I'm going to announce that during the video as well. So stay tuned. Let me know what you think. Let's jump right into it. So for some reason, my microphone's making a really weird noise and a lot of clicking here in the beginning, so we'll do a little voiceover. It's hard to record this again when we already cracked it open. So just opening the box, get rid of all the trash there. We got the receipt backers that you can see and 2 bundles of the flyers. We'll put them up. We got a DVD coming up here. There's the hangers and kind of a cool little marketing kit. And let's go ahead and talk about that. DVD for September 2019. We got double our rebates up to $5,500. July 29th through November 1st, 2019. 60-day deferred payments available on some of the, so no payments for up to 60 days on some of the plans as well. So talk to your dealer about that. And then our van sign. So this is, I'm sure, what the front of the Hot Tools flyer will look like. Powerful up in full color. We've got the gray, high visibility, the green. I'm not sure if that's gonna be if that's black or if that's red. I'm not sure. Not sure what they're gonna call that. Let's look at the promotional info enclosed. First thing we have is Wild Impact Marketing September supplement, and it looks like we got some blankets, some different camping things on there. This is Crown USA with some offers on sweatshirts, hoodies. Now, dealers, it says orders have to be placed September 2nd through the 27th. They'll ship November 4th. But I'm sure there's a minimum order on these. They're usually, you have to buy 30, 40 of them. So we have SE Sales with their delicious snacks. The world's most comfortable, most durable work socks. We keep them on the truck for everybody. It says, remember, Snap-on socks make great gifts for the holidays. Right there, it's in writing. It's got to be true. Chaco Authentics 2019 USA Fall Winter Collection. These guys have a ton of really neat stuff. We're just going to look at it real quick. So the dealers, your dealer, should be getting one of these packs you can peek through. Typically these companies, it's an outside company, so there's some shipping involved. And sometimes there's minimum orders that have to be met as well. So, for instance, if it'll focus, 48 mix pack. Some cool hats. And the back page. So that is the Wild September promotional package. Let's talk about the new stuff for the channel before we hop, then we'll get right into these flyers, okay? So, let's take a peek. I got a new tripod. I'm super excited because before I had to try to get my tripod to go on something like this because it's only like 2.5 feet tall. Now I have one that's taller than me. I love it. Next up, we got a couple extra batteries for the camera because we're always burning the cameras out. And then there was something else we got for the, oh yeah, right here. I got it down on the floor. We got a new puppy for the channel. This is Belle. She actually already has her own channel. You can find it. I'll leave a link down in the description. It's called Oh Belle. She's 11 weeks old right now. Sheepadoodle. So we got a new addition. Tracky's right here, right on the floor. Everybody's good and happy. So that's the new additions to the channel. Hope you enjoy that. Let me know what you think. let's dig into these flyers. I'll try to get digital copies on my socials, so make sure you check that out on Instagram and on Facebook. So we have Power Up in full color. Select 14.4 micro lithium power and air tools are now available in black, gunmetal, green, and high vis. For more information, see pages 2 and 3. By golly, we're going to check out page 2 and 3. Page 2 and 3 have a ton of great examples of the different color combinations on the different power tools, air tools, the cordless stuff, so you can pick out your favorite and keep them all matching. One thug, 6 bright ideas. So we have the Crud Thug on here. We have the Cob LED lights. I think I showed you them. Actually, no, I didn't. Miss Page showed you these. She showed you the Crud Thug and she showed you these little lights. And Miss Bell loves the little laser on here. Perfect precision in 5 electric colors. We have the 12-volt digital display circuit tester. Somebody subscribing to the Snapchat. Thank you. The multimeter down below. And I believe Snap-on Tool Review just did a video with this in there. So quality sound in serious Snap-on style. So we got some 14.4 speakers on promo. Different colors. Red, green, orange, and high visibility. And looks like they got the 14.4 batteries on sale as well. Let's take a peek. Them are the new batteries. Those are the 2.5 amp hour batteries on sale in there. Great for tailgating, it says. I'm sure it'd be perfect for camping as well. Got an idea? We're back with it. About every 3 months or so, this is in here. So if you have an idea of a tool and you say, hey, I think somebody could use that, draw it up there. You could get up to $3 grand for that. This is going to be a hot one for our area. We have the Super Duty Air Hammer, the PH3050BR, and we have the Heavy Duty Blue Point Air Hammer, the AT2050. Either one of them get up to $65 with the trade-in. Now, if you're more into the cordless hammers, them are listed below. And available in a 32-ounce size, HBBD 32, and the red, green, or orange. Excuse me while I chase the puppy with yesterday's lunch. So we got your hammer promos there. Let's go ahead and turn the page. Little Bob Seger there. Don't copy strike me. Problem fasteners, no problem at all. Looks like we got the RTD48 kit. We got the tap socket kit. We got the extractor kit. All kinds of different fastener problem issue solvers there. Down below, tap and die, extractor sets. Looks like a ton of different stuff on this page. And it's still beautiful out when people are riding their bikes. I hope you guys are having a good, safe weekend. Page 9. Trade out more precision, power, and speed. Get up to $50 with trade-in on the Air Mini Ratchet, 1/4-inch drive. Up to $65 on the 14.4 1/4-inch drive micro ratchet kit. So you get the 2 batteries, the charger, and there's a little boot that goes on there. Some BOGOs, flank drive BOGOs. Buy and get 6-piece metric, get the 6-piece SAE. Buy the 12-piece 6-point metric in 1/4, get the 6-piece 1/4 drive SAE free. Buy one, get one freeze on the side there. Perfect Vision now comes in color. The BK3000 video inspection scope. So we have 2, 4, 6 different colors available here. $319. For your own scope. That's a heck of a deal. BK Accessory Imagers listed down below, and they have 6 different ones, smaller sized ones, dual imagers. Looks like they got a lot of great stuff at the bottom. And on the next page, find the right BK model for you. The 5600 Dual 85, the 6500, and the 85. And then it shows you all the difference. Let's take a look at this page. Let her scroll down for you. And on the back we have See the Flash, Feel the Roar, the KCP 1423 WEQ in storm gray with red trim and accents. And we have that sitting in the warehouse right now. Haven't had a chance to load it up on the truck, but hopefully by the end of the weekend I'll have it on here. Take the cart off or move the cart, and I'm going to put it right in the middle aisle there. Pretty cool. You get the little S with it. It comes with the speed drawer, your power drawer. Get a quote on your custom tool storage system, so see your dealer about that. And that, my friends, is September's Hot Tool Flyer for the North Central region. I appreciate you guys spending some time with me. Let me know what you think about the new add-ons for our show here. It's a holiday weekend. We got to get out of here. I'll see you next time.